Good morning students, welcome to today's class, and today we are going to do the exercise of Unit 9, a bicycle in good repair. Comprehension check 1. There are MCQs. Let's go through and complete the comprehension check 1. I got up early. For me, it implies that what is the right answer? He was an early riser. He was a late riser. He got up late that morning. And let us mark a right answer. That I got up early, for me, it implies that he was a late riser. The bicycle goes easily enough in the morning and a little stiffy. So, humorous, inaccurate, sarcastic, enjoyable. Okay. So, the remark is humorous. The friend shook the bicycle violently. Find 2 or 3 sentences in the text which expresses the author's disapproval of it. The following words, remarks express the author's disapproval. Don't do that. You will hurt it. I did not see why he should shake it. It had not done anything to him. If not, it would make a serious difference to the machine. What does it refer to? Okay. So, question number 4 is it refers to the ball bearings. Working with the text, question number 1. Did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. No, the front wheel did not really wobble. It wobbled only when it was shaken by the man, which displaced the author. In what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed? When he returned from the tool shed, the author found that the man had taken out the front wheel of the bicycle and was sitting with it between his legs while the rest of the bicycle lay discarded on the ground. Nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. This sentence in the light of what actually happens shows that the author's friend is overconfident about his knowledge of machine to overlook the advice of someone who happens to have more experience than him. Let us go through the question number 4. The friends. Okay, let us go through the question number 4. What special treatment did the chain receive? What special treatment did the chain receive? The author's friend fiddled with the chain. He first tightened it till it would not move. Then he loosened it until it became twice its original length. Number 5. The friend has 2 qualities. He knows what he is doing and is absolutely sure if it is good. Find the 2 phrases in the text which means the same. So, there are 2 texts means the same, cherry confidence and inapplicable hopefulness. Describe the fight between the man and the machine. Find the relevant sentence in the text and write them. So, one moment the bicycle would be standing on the gravel path and he on the top of it. Then vice versa. Then he would be standing flushed with victory, the bicycle firmly fixed between his legs, but his victory would be short-lived. After being dirty and dissolved, cut and bleeding, the fight between the man and the machine was over. Next, dear students, is a working with the language. The question number 1 is here. To rewrite of the following sentences using should and ought to and must. That means this is an model. using the models, we have to complete these sentences. So already we have learned it in our grammar topic. So this whole exercise should be done by yourself in your notebook as well as in your textbook. Second exercise also refers to the same thing. Same thing, what is that same thing? Again the should, must, ought to appropriately in the following sentences. Okay, should, ought to and must should be written in the following. Question number 3. Two or more single sentences can be combined to form a single sentence. So, here it is given. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. And the last en acts as a prefix. Okay, and or as a suffix. So, here it is about a suffix and prefix. Same thing we have learned it. So, here it is given in the box. So, all the 4 exercises should be done by you in your notebook. I mean the working with the language, as well as these 6 question answers should be written in your notebook with a good handwriting. Have a good day and thank you to all.